In this video, we'll examine how to measure the distance between 2 points in the geographic grid. The geographic grid consists of the imaginary lines of latitude and longitude. The lines of latitude are equally spaced throughout the globe. As a result, the distance north to south doesn't change. However, the lines of longitude converge at either poles at 90 degrees north and at 90 degrees south. This will affect how distance is measured north to south and east to west. For example, the north to south distance between 2 points on the globe, such as point A and point B, can be calculated if one assumes that every degree of latitude equals to 69 miles. If the distance between these 2 points are 20 degrees north, 20 degrees in total, then you can multiply 20 by 69 to get the total distance in miles between those 2 points. Longitude, however, is another matter because meridians converge as they approach the poles. This causes a degree of longitude to vary from approximately 111 kilometers along the equator to about 56 kilometers at 60 degrees of latitude. So while a degree of longitude may be approximately 111 kilometers on the equator, it becomes progressively smaller as you move to either poles. We know that these distances vary, and we have those calculated, so we can use to solve problems such as this one. What would be the east to west distance between city A and city B in miles and in kilometers? City A is located at 45 degrees north, 20 degrees east. City B is located at 45 degrees north and 5 degrees east. So they're on the same latitude, and we're going to solve for the distance east to west. So we're going to look at the difference in the longitude for those two cities. At that latitude, they have each degree will equal 78.880 kilometers or 48.994 miles. So the difference between city A and city B is about 15 degrees, right? So if I subtract 5 from 20, I get the degrees, the amount of degrees in difference between those two cities. Now, all you have to do is multiply 15 by 78.880 kilometers to get to your answers in kilometers, or if you want your answer in miles, you use the number in miles. So the final solution would be 1,183 kilometers is the distance between city A and city B.